basketball. Sing it. Aubrey. Aubrey, hey. Say Omaha. Hey. Say it louder. Come out here. Say it. Oh, hold on. K. Sit right there. Oh, stay on there. Aubrey, say Omaha Mall. Hold on, let Sissy turn the light on. Oh, I almost hit my head on the fan. Aubrey.
I was at Omaha Mall.
Omaha Mall. Omaha Mall. You know that we ball at the Omaha Mall. Say it. Say it loud. Say it for the camera.
Omaha Mall. What's that?
You say it.
The phone on your back. When you're Omaha Mall. I'm gonna let you Justin Bieber. I want to meet you, Justin Bieber. I want to meet it, Justin Bieber.
Not Beaver, Bieber.
I want to meet a Justin Bieber.
You want to meet Justin Bieber?
I want to meet Justin Bieber.
Are you going to cry if you don't?
No.
Why? Because you're a big boy.
Yeah, I can beat him.
Why?